Hey everyone! Welcome back to another episode. Ako ulit, si Josh. And I'm really glad you're here. Today's episode is a little different. Instead of sharing one specific story, I just want to talk about a few lessons that I've been learning in my early 20s. To be honest, akala ko dati kapag nasa 20s ka na, parang automatic na alam mo na kung anong gusto mong gawin sa buhay. Akala ko mas magiging confident ako, mas magiging mature ako, at parang wala akong masyadong iniisip. Pero habang tumatagal, nare-realize ko na nobody really has everything figured out. We're all just trying to do our best. One of the biggest lessons I've learned is that it's okay to outgrow people, habits, and even old version of ourselves. May mga bagay na dati gustong-gusto mo, pero ngayon hindi na. May mga friendships na sobrang close noon, pero habang tumatagal, nagbabago rin. And that's part of life. Not everyone is meant to stay forever, and that doesn't always mean something went wrong. Another lesson is protecting your peace. Nung mas bata ako, gusto kong i-please lahat ng tao. Gusto ko walang nagagalit sa akin at gusto ko lagi akong available. Pero ngayon, natutunan kong okay lang na magsabi ng no. Okay lang magpahinga. Okay lang piliin ang sarili paminsan-minsan. Because if you're always trying to make everyone else happy, makakalimutan mo alagaan ang sarili mo. Isa pa sa mga natutunan ko is that growth is often uncomfortable. Kapag may mga bagong challenge, normal lang matakot. Kapag may bagong responsibility, normal lang magduda sa sarili. Pero minsan, yung discomfort na nararamdaman natin, saya na pala siya na may natututunan tayong bago. Hindi tayo mag-grow kung palagi lang tayo nasa comfort zone natin. And lastly, I learned to appreciate the people who genuinely support me. Habang tumatanda ka, mapapansin mong hindi pala paramihan na kaibigan. Mas importante yung mga taong naniniwala sa'yo, nag-cheer sa'yo, at naandyan kahit hindi ka nasa best moment ng buhay mo. Those are the people worth keeping. So if I could give one piece of advice to anyone who's also in their early 20s, it would be this. Don't pressure yourself into becoming someone overnight. Life isn't a checklist. Hindi mo kailangang ma-achieve lahat. Take your time. Celebrate your progress. Learn from your mistakes. And don't forget to enjoy where you are right now, because one day, you'll look back and realize these moments help shape the person you're becoming. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode. If you're learning, also figuring life out one step at a time, just know you're not alone. We're all growing, learning, and becoming better version of ourselves every single day. This is Josh, and I'll see you in the next episode. Take care and bye.